Hey, it's Ronnie Palmer here. Big news. My mentors are ready to build your entire internet marketing business, steering you towards 10,000 monthly. For the full scoop, click that crucial first link in the description below this video. Now, about the product awaiting at the second link. Bonus 1. Uncover my secret to 250,000 subscribers, plus get the lowdown on a wallet-friendly autoresponder setup. Bonus 2. Snag my 2023 free traffic method as a complimentary extra. Bonus 3. I spill the beans on how to dominate YouTube rankings for a flood of traffic. Bonus 4, enjoy a sweet 100% commission on my best-selling course. Feeling the itch for a done-for-your business journey? That's where the first link comes in. And if you're eyeing the product I'm reviewing, hit up that second link. Let's dive deep.
Hey, it's Chad Nicely. First of all, welcome to the pre-launch of AIBotStudio. Now, if you don't know what AIBotStudio is, watch this video, and I'll be back in a minute. I got it. Check this out right here. The chatbot inside of Instagram, right? How do I book an appointment? Boom. I'm going to go ahead and submit, and let's see what we got. Come on, Square Salon. Tell me something. There it is right there. It even gives us a URL. Eager to add some sparkle to your hair routine? Booking an appointment with us is as easy as brush through luxurious locks. You can secure your spot by giving us a ring at this number or visiting our website. Not only do I got it on Instagram, but check this out. If I come over here to Messenger, what is the price of a men's cut? Let's go ahead and hit return. Let's see what Messenger is going to give me. Come on, baby. What do we got? Don't leave me hanging. What do we got here? There it is. The price for a men's cut at our salon is $40 and up. Treat yourself to a stylish haircut that will leave you looking sharp and feeling confident. Need to make an appointment? Visit our website. And that's not all. What if I told you we also got it over here on WhatsApp? I'm going to go ahead and hit return. What are your hours? And I have a feeling that WhatsApp's going to tell me Monday through Friday with Sunday closed. And what do we got here? Look at this. At Square Salon, we dance through the week with these fantastic hours to ensure your hair journey is nothing short of fabulous. Monday through Friday, Saturday 8 a.m. 7 p.m. and Sunday closed. Hi there, my name is Chad Nicely, having some fun with AI chatbots, almost killing myself in the process and completely out of breath after doing that 100 different times. Pretty awesome, right? So did you see how fast you're able to go and create that bot? You can create that chatbot literally in less than 2 minutes, deploy it to Messenger, WhatsApp, Instagram. There's never been anything like it. Now, I don't want to let the cat out of the bag, but what if I told you it gets even better? And I'm going to prove it to you, right? So here's the thing, okay? I want you to go ahead and register for the webinar. I'm going to be doing a special presentation where I'm going to walk you through the whole entire platform, right? You're going to see everything that this incredible platform can do. And you know what? That video you just watched, it only scratched the surface. I'd say that's about 30% of the platform. There's so much more. And quite frankly, this is one of the greatest opportunities I've ever seen. Like, it's incredible. Like, when it comes to traffic, boom, we got traffic taken care of. When it comes to having something to sell, boom, we got that taken care of. All of that AIBotStudio is going to do for you. And I hate to say it, but it's going to be on autopilot. You're going to wake up and I can guarantee that you're going to have leads, and leads are going through your funnels and your sales pages and signing up for your presentations. I know it's crazy, but you just got to take me up on this. And as an extra bonus, we're going to be giving away the agency license as well. So make sure you get registered for that presentation. It's going to be a great one. Watch your email. I'll keep you posted with updates. Make sure you mark down the date and time. Man, it's going to be an early webinar, but it's going to be one where I'm going to rock your socks off. All right? So go ahead and get signed up, and I'll see you on the presentation.